Let's use a number line to indicate opposite numbers. Now, opposite numbers have the same absolute value, but they're on different sides of zero on the number line. Now, what I mean by different same absolute value of 2 means how many spaces away from 0 is 2? Well, here's 0, here's 2. So 1, 2, I am 2 units away. Great. Well, what about the absolute value of -2? Well, here's -2, and here's 0. So I would go 1, 2, 2 units. So you can see both +2 and -2 are 2 units from 0. So they are opposites. -2 and 2 are opposites for that reason. So if -2 and 2 are opposites, we also know that opposites add to 0. So when I take -2 and I add 2, I get 0. So let's say that you owe someone $2 and then you pay them that $2. You now owe them nothing, right? That's the idea, is that they cancel each other out. So you're left with 0, and that's what makes them opposites. So you'll show the opposite of the point given. And you'll notice I did not use numbers other than 0. So from 0, we say, okay, I start here, and I'm going 1, 2, 3 units. In this case, I move to the left. So to find the opposite, again, I start at 0, but I'm going to go 3 units to the right. And so that point there is going to be the opposite. Now, the point we started with was -3 because it's to the left of 0, so it's going to be a negative number. And the point to the right is +3. So you can see -3 and 3 are opposites. If we would add them together, they would equal 0. Show the opposite of the point given. Okay, well, let's do the counting thing again. We start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point is 5, and we moved 5 units to the right. So to find the opposite, again, I start at 0, but I'm going to go 5 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is where the opposite point lies, and it would be at -5. So -5 and 5 are opposites. If I would add them together, oop, that's an O. If I would add them together, -5 plus 5 is 0. And that's what makes them opposites.